Anchoring a mobile home is a tedious but necessary process. Mobile homes must be securely tied down for extra protection from strong winds. Little Beaver Hydraulic Earth Drills and anchoring accessories make mobile home anchoring faster and easier. In 4 simple steps, you can use Little Beaver equipment to tie down an entire home in as little as 60 minutes. First, determine how many anchors you'll need for the home's perimeter. Anchors must be installed at 2 to 5 foot intervals, depending on state regulations. Fasten the anchor with an adjustable wrench or ratchet. Next, snap the Little Beaver anchor adapter onto the drill's high-torque handle. Now simply turn in the anchor until it is flush with the ground. If you encounter immovable rocks, use the drill's convenient reverse capability to remove the anchor and start again. For the fastest and easiest way to anchor mobile homes, turn to the powerful productivity of Little Beaver Earth Drills and mobile home anchoring accessories.